If you've seen any of my other videos about how to look after suits, you'll know that I think that dry cleaners are the devil. Dry cleaners use very harsh chemicals that strip the natural oils out of a wool suit, and most made-to-measure suits will be made of wool. And so the idea is to clean them gently without stripping out the natural oils, and that will extend the life of your suit and keep it looking great. So the two things you are going to need, one is a clothes brush, which you can buy on Amazon. These are £10 for a decent clothes brush. Brush any loose or dry dirt, fluff, lint off your suit. The other thing is you are going to sweat in your suit. So how do you clean the smell out of a suit? The sweat smell of a suit comes from the bacteria from your sweat. Now what you need to do is steam it. If you steam a suit, this will kill the bacteria and get rid of the odour. This is why people talk about freshening up a suit. A lot of the time they will freshen up a suit by going to the dry cleaners. I say don't freshen up a suit by going to the dry cleaners. Freshen up a suit by steaming it. Always steam your suit. Brush it and then steam it. And for that, now I have a steam cabinet that I use because obviously I'm steaming a much bigger volume of garments and suits, so it makes more sense for me to have a full-size steam cabinet for my suits. However, if you don't have the space, you can use a handheld steamer. Now this is handheld, however it's not what you might think of as a travel steamer. Travel steamers are much smaller and more compact. This is the size of my head. It's quite a big one. So but I like this because it's a Morphy Richards one. It's got a decent sized tank on it for the water, so you get about 10-15 minutes of continuous run time out of it. Really good steam capacity. It's also got a lint brush and a decreasing bar at the bottom as well. So I'll put a link to this in the video and you can check it out if you want. But this video is really about the idea of steaming in general and how to get used to steaming rather than dry cleaning. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this on now. It's full of water, it's ready to go, but it's cold. I'm going to turn it on and you can see just how quickly it heats up and is ready to go. That's it switched on. Press the turbo button and we are going, and I'll put it in shot so you can see how quickly that becomes ready. Now the suit itself, I wore this all last week, so it needs a freshen up. It's a little bit creased, a little bit sweaty, and it's going to benefit from a bit of steaming. So you get a decent coat hanger. You can put it on the back of the door, you can hang it on the shower, you can anywhere where you've got a bit of space to work, you can hang it up. A coat hanger with shoulders in, this type of one with suit shoulders is ideal because that will help to maintain the shape of your suit. So as you can see, in less than a minute that's ready to go. So we start from the top, and a good tip for you is for each panel, if you hold the fabric taut as you're steaming it, this will pull out the creases as you go. There's a fluff there. So you can start just with one arm. Naturally you want to go under the armpits for the sweat areas. Front panel. And I don't know if you can see on the video, but you can clearly see when you're steaming the moisture soaking into the garment, which is exactly what we want to see. So, just going to do this quickly so that you can see. Now, it's going to take about 3 to 4 minutes to properly steam a jacket like this. And just a word of caution, the steam is incredibly hot, as you'd imagine. If you've ever held your hand over a kettle accidentally, you'll know exactly what I mean. But this is just how to get your jacket freshened up. And you can do exactly the same thing with your trousers. And if you've got a particularly creased area, you can concentrate on that area for a few seconds just to really work out the creases. And there you have it. It's as simple as that. Now I'll switch it off. So that used, as you can see, that much. That's the max mark. So it barely used any water really to steam that jacket. So you'd probably get about 3 or 4 jackets worth out of one tank, which is really good. So if you're going to do a batch of them, if you want to steam all your suits in one go, get them lined up, get them ready to go, and do them in a sort of production line. Now, the key to it, that is now slightly damp. Do not hang that back in the wardrobe until it is completely dry. You want to hang that out to air to let all of the steam, all of the moisture evaporate, and then you can hang it back up again. Now, I don't know if that comes across on the video, but I'm going to try and show you. It is absolutely crease free, and trust me when I tell you, it is fresh as a daisy. So that's with 3 or 4 minutes steaming. You can steam your suit jacket, your waistcoat, your trousers. Trousers are great for steaming actually, because obviously you get creases around the kneecaps, you get creases around the seat. If you're as clumsy as I am, you might spill loads of food down it. Good brush, good steam, freshen them right up again, and they're good to go. Now, this isn't quite good to go, but just to show you, I move the microphone. That lets you see a little bit better just how nicely it's come up. And that's with 3 or 4 minutes steaming. Creases are gone, it looks brand new again, it's great. So that is my quick guide on how to steam your clothes. Don't take them to the dry cleaners unless you've had a disaster in your suit. Do not take it to the dry cleaners. Every time you want to take it to the dry cleaners, ask yourself the question, does it have stains or marks that I can't remove with a brush or a damp cloth? If it does, then remove the stains, remove the dirt with a brush or a damp cloth, then give it a steam, and then you've saved yourself not only the expense of the dry cleaners, you've saved yourself the time that your suit's going to be away and the hassle of checking it in and the worry you're going to have of the dry cleaner destroying your made-to-measure suit. So, if you have any questions about steaming, about cleaning, about suit maintenance, please fire them into the comments, let me know, and let me know what your thoughts are on steaming.